What's up guys, happy New Year's. We're out here again following the tradition. Last year we were out here surfing. Welcome back to another episode, you know, putting on that little YouTuber voice because I'm gonna talk to the camera more this year. That's one of my goals, you know. I'm out here with Thwin.
What's up guys?
Yeah, we're gonna do some lessons, so you'll see that when we're down at Jamnesia. Copa's looking fun. Boys are out. And they're going out. You yeah, so follow through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, the works, anything you really feel like doing. Big up. Yeah. All right guys, so I just realized I left all my gear like for the episode, you know, like you know, the bite mount so you actually see what's going on in the water, the housing for the case so it's like the GoPro is safe. I just left all of that. So it's a great start to the year. Woo! You know? But my boy's Thwin's gonna get some content.
Try.
So maybe we'll like feature some of Thwin's content on the episode. I don't know. Let's see what's going on.
Yep.
You know? But yeah.
Do what I had to do, and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way I live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it, tick tock? I gotta rest. I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I gotta rest. I don't know I could. Nothing to reach, and I don't feel like I should. Feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die. I gotta lay down, think I've done enough for today. Do what I had to do, and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Chip thrills, chip tricks. Woo! It seems like the way I live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it, tick tock? I gotta rest. I'm feeling so good. In me I know it, but I'm misunderstood. I'm feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live.
Guys, so that was a session up by Copa. It was awesome. My boy Thwin came in clutch. Big up yourself, bro.
Yeah, bro, no problem.
You know, like getting
Drone
them
footage.
yeah, getting them fire drone footage. You know, all right, so we're actually at Jamnesia now. We're gonna put Thwin on some waves. Pressure? I joke, no pressure. No, it's all fun, guys, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun and we'll see if I catch anything.
Yeah. Nah, man, we're gonna have fun. You're gonna catch some. You're gonna like, but yeah, we're here, and of course, Jeep. Big up yourself. I'm gonna do a shout out. Happy New Year's, everybody. Anyone who's actually interested in Jeeps, I think I'm gonna do a review. This vehicle is lovely. The service down at KIG has been awesome. So big up, guys. If you are in the market, link. I'll direct you to the right people for a Jeep. Yeah, big up.
I gotta rest, and nothing of reach, and I don't feel like I should. I'm feeling like that, well, they say it's a lie, but I gotta tell ya, gotta live and let die.
Alright, that's
Said I should be a big shot.
Alright guys, so that was out here us surfing. Thwin actually caught a few waves.
I need to get fit.
We're working on that shit, trust me. It's not you alone, Thwin. It's not you alone. But like, yeah, it wasn't a bad episode. Had a little fun. You should see some of that wicked drone footage by now. And I think this is it for the episode. We might have a little pool flex, I'm not sure. It's kind of by air right now. But anyhow, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the works. I feel like I'm looking very awkward with that hand cook up. Anyhow, yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share the works, and I hope you have a good year. Happy New Year's, guys.
Said I should be a big shot. Said I should be a big shot. Said I should be a big shot. Said I should be a big shot.
Maybe you can get like a content.